That was sugar, y'all. I'm sure that you will. It's not on my side. Limon juice. Get strained anyway, so the seed gets in there. We'll all survive it. And then you put a lid on it, let it get warm. Add a little water if it's not doing a thing right. Somewhere between medium high. You just want to get it going. We're going to cook the blueberries down until they are absolute mush. And then we're going to buzz them, strain them, thicken them up with a little bit of cornstarch slurry. Add the rest of the blueberries, cook it for about 5-7 minutes in there somewhere, and then set it off to chill while we build the cheesecake. But this is going to take a minute. Nice. So it's pretty thick, and as it cools it will get thicker. But nice big old blueberry chunk. Okay, they're not big blueberries, they're wild blueberries in there. Alrighty then. Regular blender works too, but I got the fancy dancy equipment, so I'm gonna use it. Doesn't have to be perfect. Spoons or a fork, that'll work. Get most of the bits out. Perfection not needed. We are putting more blueberries right back into it, so, you know. Burble, you sassy little thing, you. Close enough. I just don't want it to thin out too much when I put the frozen blueberries in it. So we're going to make it a little thick.
Does that conflict with your normal patterns?
Why are you going to be like that? To hell? Alright. Almost there. Just a little bit more. Down.
Now it's more just on medium, yeah?
Just gonna do all that. Say all of it. Get that a burble. Simmer it for about 5 minutes just to get the blueberries all infused with the yumminess that has gone before. And as long as we are not expecting normal, everything will be just fine. 82 ounces, 4 blocks, 8 ounces each. Come get your cheesecake, yeah. Something heavy on the I don't know. Crunches on low, very low. 1 cup of lemon sugar. Until it comes together. Little fajita. Not trying to get any air in it, but I want it off the betas. It's not cooperating very well. It's tweaking a dang nerve. Hoagie dog smoked gnocchi. Huevos. One at a time. Being stubborn. Stubborn. And a little bit of a course.
Taking right after you then.
Oh, so rude. True, but rude. Such marvelous sounds. As long as you're not expecting normal, everything will be just fine. 2 of them a sour cream. Whoops, no, get down. Vanilla. You saw nothing. Just in nothing. You know nothing. Something about Colonel Clink. Okay, I think okay. Alright. And then that is going to go in the oven for about 17 to 20 minutes. Play with it, y'all. Have some fun with it. Just want to go through the top layer. And I'm back into the oven for 35-ish minutes.